Hi everyone, well today's video I should do a little video on my Stihl MS170 chainsaw. So I got these limbs from one of my clients who cut down his tree, and this would be a perfect opportunity to get a little video of my chainsaw on how it cuts wood. So here's a little chainsaw. It's the Stihl MS170. It's a 30cc engine with a 16-inch Roll-O-Matic bar that's made in Germany, but the engine's made in the US. So we're going to start the saw up and cut some wood. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to lock the throttle. Put on choke. No primer on this thing. Alright guys, so hope you liked the video. Enjoy.